Hey guys, welcome back. Hey guys, welcome back to another video with me and Aiden. We're filming in the ODR today. It's gonna be a lit video. Stay tuned.
Yo, what the fuck is good, boys? We're back at it again, filming another banger with Cuffy and fucking the beauty D-Trom, aka Devontae. And we're vibing here at the fucking the ODR today, bro. And it's gonna be a
A lit video. Stay tuned.
Hey, excuse me? I saw you coming in here and you look like you're an absolute tank. Can I get
What?
Can I get your number?
No, sorry.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Oh, are you guys like friends?
Yeah, we're friends.
Like are you dating?
Together, yeah.
Oh, just friends though.
Just friends.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like how long have you been friends though for?
7 years.
7? Yeah, that's not too long.
Yeah.
Can I get your number though?
No.
Please?
Sorry. No.
No, I told my friends I could get your number. See?
You can make up a number, and then he'll think you got it. Think of it that way.
No, it's not the same though.
Yeah.
You sure?
Yeah.
Damn. Alright, well, next time. Yo, excuse me? I saw you like play, and my dad owns Arizona State University. I'm wondering if you still want like he runs a hockey team, right? So I'm wondering if you wanted like a shot to play in a college game.
I'm good.
You sure?
Yeah.
Alright, you look pretty good though.
I'm really old, dude, and I'm not good. These guys here are good.
Yeah? Okay, thank you.
Do you want it?
No, not really. Why he talk like? What are you saying? What are you saying? Like, I'm just trying to rip puck. Yeah, your hair looks cool.
Thanks.
Yeah.
Leaving.
Sorry, I'm socially incompetent. Excuse me. Are you a school shooter? Is it? Dating. Oh, so you don't want to get like I could draft you like I could in with my dad. Get your number. No, you look uncomfortable. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Fuck. Never works. Like how good can you skate on a scale of 1 to 10? 9. Like you're a pretty good skater. Are you fast? All right, you want to race? Sure. All right, all right. All right, so I'm African, so yeah, I'm from South Africa, so I'm pretty fast.
Okay, what way are we going?
Let's try. Let's go this way. Let's go this way, and each. No, we won't do that one. All right. Let's go.
There's demons inside of me testing my patience. Remember they told me that I'd never make it, but nevertheless they gon' mention my name with the great. Stay away from the haters.